Journey to the Vote is a series of programs and exhibits, and it's an interdepartmental endeavor. It's the museum and WKU Political Science and WKU History and the Warren County Public Library and Women and Gender Studies, and we've all worked together to host individual programs and events, and as a committee we work to promote each other's events.
As it turned out, there was an opportunity through the WKU Sisterhood to apply for some funding at the beginning when we were starting to look a year out at what programming we might do. And they generously funded us at $14,000. And then from that we were able to leverage another $5,000 through the Boyd Lepker Visiting Scholar program here at WKU, and from there our initial programming then caught the attention of the Wells Fargo Foundation, and they reached out and invited us to apply for a regional grant.
In total there's been about 10 different events, but just to give you an example of two, we had a panel discussion entitled Put a Woman in Charge, and we had current and former women office holders, state level, local level. In February we did Her Story, and that event was geared specifically to school-aged girls, and so that they could see women scientists and chemists and historians, and we had 18 different hands-on activities, a judge and a renowned local artist, so that the girls could see a variety of professional women and a variety of students here at Western.
In my classes that I teach that are related to women in politics, it's given our students a whole new appreciation and access to information that they might not have otherwise come in contact with.
You know, I got a much fuller picture of what the 19th Amendment was, what it did, what it didn't do, and I think that's what we've tried to convey with all of our programming, that there is more to the story.
Organizations that are sort of on the periphery of what we do became much more involved in what WKU is about, and I think that's been really helpful. And I think the impact on women in general in our community has been really wonderful, and we've had a lot of requests to do programming for various women's groups, which has also been a nice outreach kind of thing.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much to the Kentucky Historical Society and to all of my colleagues here at the museum.
Thank you so much to the Kentucky Historical Society. We really view this as a great honor to be recognized for our work that we did. But honestly, the students are who make this all special and who have benefited from this, and we share this on their behalf.
This was a group effort, and I love this mint julep cup, and bourbon will go really nice in here. But thank you to everyone.